Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Monday, September 9th of 2019. And for our morning announcements today, we do have a little bit of a blast from the past today. On Friday, I was not able to get to our second grade class to record their new pause and pledge. I will get to them today. So today we have a special treat from ones that had done it last year. So I have two special announcements from pause from last year and also the pledge. For our birthday list today, we have a number of birthdays to announce. So happy birthday to Ezra Baumeister, Nora McGrail, Grant Snyder, Genevieve Wassel. All of you have your birthday today, so happy birthday to all of you. I hope you have a great day. And for your lunch choices for today, you have chicken drumstick, crispy chicken wrap, or grilled cheese. And here are our pause samples. Like I said, they were a blast from the past from last year, but they're still very good ones to review.
Alright, boys and girls, for today we have some examples for our pause for positive attitude, academic achievement, working hard, and showing respect. So we have three girls here from Mrs. Lake's class that are going to share those with us.
Don't talk when the teacher's talking. Think smart before you talk. When you're on the playground, never throw the wood chips.
Okay, those are some good ones right there, boys and girls. So remember your pause for today.
Thank you very much. And at this time, we'll take a moment of silence. Thank you, and we'll bring back the gratitude for the day tomorrow on Tuesday for the rest of the week. Usually I try to get some student input about what things we could be grateful for or what things we could be helpful for others. So that will be coming back tomorrow on Tuesday. And at this time, let's please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So if you could please stand and put your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, and everyone have a wonderful day today. Have a great start of your week, and make sure that you're showing off those paws.